Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report a wrong location on Waze. Whether you've noticed a map error while navigating, or you simply want to help improve Waze's maps for yourself and others, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know, even if you've never submitted a report before. First, open your Waze app and make sure you're on the main menu. Once you're there, look for the arrow icon at the bottom left. This represents your current location. Tap on it to center the map on where you are. Take your time to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, tap on the report button, which looks like an exclamation mark in a speech bubble. You'll see several options appear, such as reporting hazards, traffic, and more. Scroll down until you find map issue. This is the option that allows you to report wrong locations or incorrect map details. Once you select map issue, you can either type in the error manually or use the voice input feature to describe it clearly. Follow the on-screen instructions, as Waze makes it very straightforward to provide all the details they need for accurate map corrections. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your GPS is accurate, your app is updated to the latest version, and your internet connection is stable. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help ensure that your report is successfully submitted without any interruptions. Once you've filled in the details, tap Send or choose Send for later if you want to submit it at another time. After that, your report will be sent to Waze for review. This helps correct the map so that future users can navigate accurately and safely. It's also a good idea to double-check the location pin before submitting, so your report is as precise as possible and leads to quicker map updates. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to report wrong locations on Waze easily and efficiently, helping keep the map accurate for yourself and other drivers. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. You might just make someone's day a lot easier. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more practical tips on using Waze effectively.